Hello everybody and welcome to Magic Hair Company located here in Culver City, California, where we are your best glueless, full-lace, and front-lace wig specialists. And now introducing braided wigs. We have a line of braided wigs coming to our website, magichaircompany.com, and we just want to show you guys how easy it is to install these braided wigs. There's no more need to sit and wait for hours, wasting a whole day getting your hair braided, where we now have braided and twisted wigs here at Magic Hair Company. Look how easy this is to put on. You guys see, I just slid this right into place and there you go. This is wig number 501, available at magichaircompany.com in our braided wig section. Our braided wigs will be available 10-15. Now this particular wig has twists in the back, but you see the quality, you see the size, everything's the same size, and yes, it is braided all the way down to the end. So this is wig number 601, available at Magic Hair Company. Now this is my personal one right here, because you know I'm going on vacation and I love a great braided wig. We have a few other styles here. This is wig number 502. Check out the color. Pretty soon we will have many colors available, but this is just a couple that we got in our current color selection. This is wig number 602. So if you want more information on this beautiful unit here, go to magichaircompany.com, put in unit number 602, and all the information needed will come up. So this is a great option as well. Check this out. She's nice and secure, 22 to 24 inches. If you want braids and don't want to sit and wait all day, here you go, braided wigs from Magic Hair Company. So this is wig number 602. Let me show you our other two that we have in store. The great thing about our braided wigs is you can wear it with or without glue. A lot of the older style of braided wigs, you absolutely had to glue them down because they are so heavy. But our wigs here are not only neat, check out how neatly this is braided right here. All of the braids are the same size. The feed in is amazing. All the parts are nice and clean, and all of the braids are the same size. And yes, the braids are soft. This is not hard hair. It is really soft to the touch. Come on into Magic Hair Company. We're located here in Culver City, where you can touch, feel, and see our braided wigs and extensions. And no, our braided wigs do not have a funny smell to them. This is wig number 603, I believe. Yeah. So this is wig number 603. We make our wigs with or without the baby hair. So if you don't like the baby hair, you can either tuck it in, cut it back, do whatever you like to it. But this is wig number 603 with these beautiful braids. We have braids, we have twists, we have butterfly locks, you name it, we have it here at Magic Hair Company. Wig number 603. Check us out if you want the best lace braided wigs. Our last but not least wig here is wig number 450, I believe. So if you want any more information on any of these wigs, go to our 550, not 450. Sorry guys, we have 700 wig numbers and I can't remember all of them all the time, but our next wig coming up is wig number 550. This is wig number 550. This one has this cool top knot right here. So you see this beautiful lace color. You see how transparent the scalp is. And you see what's most important is that the braids are neat, clean, and the same size. So that's another benefit of getting a braided wig. All of your braids will be the same size, nice and neat. Not only will you have a beautiful braided wig style in seconds, it will fit, it will be secure, it will be neat. Shop with us if you want the best. We are Magic Hair Company. We have all of these wigs available at magichaircompany.com, or come on into our Culver City store where you can see these beautiful braided wigs plus Our other wigs that we have available, we do custom coloring, we make custom wigs. Come on in. We are currently open here in Culver City. Come on by, check out our website. We'll see you soon. Bye guys.